Okay guys, welcome back. In this entire lecture, we will learn about object-oriented programming, and this is actually one of my favorite parts of this course. So let's get into it. This is also just a few definitions about object-oriented programming and also a quick overview about the upcoming lectures. So let's get into it. Object-oriented programming, what is it? Well, actually it's a programming paradigm that not only JavaScript but also C# and many other programming languages use, and is a paradigm based on the concept of objects, which can contain data in form of fields, often known as attributes or properties. We know that a key value pair is a property, and the code in the form of procedure, often known as methods. So methods are the way we will execute them. A feature of objects is that the object's own procedure can access and often modify the data fields of itself. So objects have a notation of this in JavaScript and or self in other programming languages. And this keyword is actually a thing that we will learn about coming up in the next video. So in object-oriented programming, computer programs are designed by making them out of objects that interact with one another. In our case, object-oriented programming languages are diverse, but most popular ones are class-based. So this is why we're going to learn about construction function, objects, prototype, inheritance, so far and so on. But at the end, we are going to use ES6 classes and subclasses, which are actually syntactic sugar that just means that we write them in different ways, but under the hood they do exactly the same thing. So in a nutshell, object-oriented programming is a programming language based on objects, and they use classes, and actually there are instances of classes which can also determine their types. Okay guys, so we will learn about this keyword, which is actually really important in object-oriented programming, and don't worry about it, as everything that we did to this point on, everything will come in time. If you don't get this keyword at the first try, don't worry about it. You will get it. Then we'll learn about a construction function, what it is and what it does, the object prototype, and then about prototype inheritance and creating new object. And at the end, we will learn about ES6 classes and subclasses. Okay, so hope you're excited and see you in the lecture. So take care. Bye-bye.